As you've seen thumbnail and title, in today's video I'm going to show you how to empty trash on Android phone. If any part of this video was helpful for you, then please make sure to leave a like on the video and also write a nice comment so that I can know how helpful you all are finding this video. So friends, there are many ways to empty your trash. The good news is, in this video I'm going to show you all the methods. It's going to be very helpful and interesting, so make sure you watch each step carefully and remember it in your mind. First, let's empty the trash using Google Photos. Open Google Photos. If you don't use Google Photos, don't worry, just keep following the next steps. In Google Photos, tap on Collections at the bottom. At the top, tap on Trash. Trash keeps your deleted photos and videos for a short time. They usually stay there for about 30 to 60 days before they are removed forever, so you still have time to restore them. Select all the photos and videos, then tap Delete. When you see the confirmation, allow it. This will empty the trash only inside Google Photos. Now let's see how to empty the trash in the File Manager. Find and open the File or File Manager app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on the Trash option. Select all the files in Trash. Then tap on Delete All at the bottom. Confirm the action, and that's it. So from here, you've emptied the trash in Google Photos and files on your phone. But honestly, you won't see much better results until all the trash on your phone is cleared. That's why we need to empty every trash folder. Now let's clear the gallery trash, which is also an important place where deleted items are stored. Open the Gallery app on your phone. Tap the three dots at the bottom. Select the Trash option. Choose all the files and delete them. Tap Delete again to confirm. Next, we're going to empty the Gmail trash. Yes, you heard that right. Open the Gmail app. Tap the three lines on the left side. Scroll down and select Trash. Select all the emails in Trash. Tap Empty Trash now. Tap Empty again to confirm. Now, you'll also find a Trash option in the Contacts app, and that needs to be cleared too. Open the Contacts app. Tap the three lines on the left side. Select Trash. Choose the contacts you want to remove. Tap Delete at the bottom. Tap Delete again to confirm. Now, friends, in your Messages app, you'll also see a Trash option where you get tons of messages every day from different companies. To do this, open the Messages app. Tap the three dots at the top. Select the Trash option. Choose all the messages. Then tap Delete All and confirm it. And that's it. This is how you can easily empty the trash on your Android phone. By the way, which apps have you cleared the trash in? Let me know in the comments so we can see.